might want to, hit it with the card again. Nice little cove. Hit that in with the card again. Hit this in with the card again. And I'm cool. Then what I do is I take this, pull, tuck. Take the other end of this. Put that around. Pull that sheet over that. Tuck. Tuck. Lift this up a little bit. It help with my hips and my legs. So I'm, pressing straight on this. Pull my blanket down. Hit that pillow. Tuck it. And then yeah. Pop, fold. Put it right here. Same with my shirt. Put it right here. And I put it right there strictly because when I get up, I just get up. But yeah, that's what I be saying, man. That's how I sleep. And mind you, I'm 5'10", like I'm comfortable. I've been setting up like this since I first ever got on the road. So this how I do it. Every trucker know, like it can look crazy in here from non-trucker perspective, but my shit organized and straight. Like I'm good. Zipping this up, I use this for my little nightstand. Like I'm good. Shit looking sweet. Time to crank this down on.